This is a DeWalt 20-volt VMAX grease gun. I chose it because I use the same battery packs as all my other DeWalt tools. No point in buying different battery packs and chargers for all the different brands. So what I'm doing is I'm basically replacing the standard tip, which fits on a Zerk fitting, with this lock and lube nozzle. So when you press down on here, that reaches out and you can lock it onto the Zerk fitting so it can free up one of your hands while you're doing maintenance on your equipment. This is very simple. It's just take each one of these nuts and you can screw them apart from each other, and then the new nozzle will just screw right in place. And we're not going to use that cap anymore either. So same thing with this. It's not actually a nut, but it's got two flat sides on it. And just tighten it down until it's snug. It doesn't need to be super tight. And that's it. That's all you need. And now you can grab onto those fittings and pump this just like that.